I'm sitting here in Dr. Tai's office, and I just want to share this great experience that I've had. I had my first surgery in my left eye a week ago, and in my right eye was yesterday, and I am already looking at my screens on my computer, and I cannot use my reading glasses. I can't use any glasses. So it's really been very successful. And in my career, where I'm a choreographer, I usually have a music score in front of me, and then I have the performers up on the stage. And now I'm very excited to be able to go back to work and not have glasses and look at the score and look at the performers and be able to do my job without any optical help. And the lenses that I put in are
Ellen, you had the most advanced trifocal implant, PanOptix Pro implant, and you had the laser-assisted cataract surgery.
And then the lasers. So it is well worth it. I highly recommend it. And I'm only expecting the results to get better and better.
Thank you very much for sharing, Ellen. If you have a friend who was asking you if they should have any concerns about having cataract surgery, and what would you let them know?
I would say that it was a piece of cake. It was so easy, painless, recuperation, because this eye is 1 week, is so quick. I highly recommend it. You would actually be remiss not taking care of your problems.
Thank you very much for sharing, Ellen.
You're welcome.